Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be seeing how we can make use of secret manager in .NET Core applications. Actually, it's a good tool. It's a good way of storing secrets in our applications, like API keys. When we are dealing with applications, we will have a lot of secret values needed to be handled in the application, like API keys maybe, and there could be database passwords. So a lot of secrets. So how we can manage it in development environment, that's what we are going to see in this video using user secrets tool. So let's start by creating a sample application. I'm planning to go ahead with a web app, MVC app. Okay, so .NET new web, sorry, MVC, and I'm providing the out secret manager test. That's the project get created. Yeah, it's done. So I'm opening that application, opening the project, cd secret manager test. I'm using Visual Studio Code here. Okay, we have a solution created with all the required features, controllers, models, and all the settings files, CS project files. So what I'm trying to do now is actually to show a demo how this secret manager can be used, how secrets can be set in secret manager, how the secrets can be accessed within a MVC application. So before going into further detail, let's see how we can set a secret in our local environment. Okay, so I'm using .NET CLI here for setting it. Let's see what all values are there in secret manager right now. So let's see the commands for that. .NET, it's user hyphen secrets. Let's see the list of secrets currently. Yeah, see, this error is because we haven't initiated any user secrets for this particular project. So let's initiate that first. User secrets init. So you can see the command prompt returned output like set user secrets ID to for MS build project, my project location. So let's see what that what's actually mean. Okay, open the application, and if I go to secrets manager test CS project file, you can see a value added here under the properties group with a good like value. So it's actually showing that the secret manager is actually initiated. So let's try running the list now. It will not show because we have nothing set. Yeah, so let's see, suppose I'm setting an API key for my application. So let's see how that can be done. .NET user secrets, and we should add that using set, and I should after set we should set the actual secret name, and I mean if we can picturize like a key value pair, then we should provide the key for that secret. Okay, so I'm providing it here. Maybe my project is a shopping cart, suppose. Colon API key. With a space, I can provide the actual value. For the time being, I'm just providing a sequence of numbers and characters. Let it be could be an API key. Just entering it. successfully saved shopping cart API key. You can list it now to see the available user secrets. Okay, so now we can see in console that we have set a user secret successfully. So where actually this is being stored, that's the next question which comes into picture. Okay, so if you go to the home directory, I'm using Linux machine, it will vary depending on the operating system. So in Linux machine, in my under my home directory, it will be there in a hidden folder. That's how it's structured in Linux. So I'm showing Linux all hidden files. I'm going to Microsoft user secrets. See, we should go ahead with our key. Our key is AST, this one. Not that. Our key is this one, 334T. This one. So this one. Okay. If we open that, we are able to see a secrets JSON. Open it with Visual Studio Code. See, we have our secret set here in this JSON file. This is just like storing it in our configuration files, but the only advantage is this will be locating in a different location apart from the current project. So we can handle our code with confidence that there is no way that our secret will be pushed to our version controls or any sort of this key will not go out of our project, or there is no way for this key to be moved to GitHub or something, because it's in a different location. So that's how we need to we can set it. So next phase is how to access a secret which is created using our secret manager. So the thing is, there are two parts. One is register user secret configuration source and read the secret via configuration APIs. Okay, so how about the registration? Actually, for registering this secret configuration, it's a default mechanism associated with the .NET Core project. If we open the program CS, we're able to see when in the create host builder method, we can see host.create default builder method. The thing is, when this create default builder method is called, actually the configuration source for user secrets is automatically added, provided if the source project is in development mode. So we don't need to bother about that. It will internally actually this method create default builder when it is called by the runtime. It will internally add the add user secrets. Again, I'm repeating only if the environment is development. So we don't need to bother about the registration. So how we need to access it, it's a different thing. So let's see, suppose I'm accessing my keys in my home controller. Just for the demo, I'm accessing it in my index action. So what I'll be doing is I'll be using a configuration object, configuration object. So I'm planning to do a constructor injection right now here. Configuration. Sorry. Configuration. I'm using the dependencies references, then configuration, then what I'm going to do is registering it with a initialize property from parameter. So that's a Visual Studio feature. Visual Studio actually added a variable here, and I'm able to assign that variable from this constructor parameter. Okay, so that's done. So I have the configuration object here. For the time being, I'm just renaming it for the sake of using it. Let it be private. We can remove this Okay, now it's set. So next phase is accessing that particular secret value. So let's see how that can be done. It's a simple process. Maybe API key I'm assigning, I'm getting it from configuration object. That's like we can mention the key for that secret. So let's go to our terminal. What we provided as a key is this one, shopping cart API key. We can copy it, mention it here, close it. So we're having this in this API key. Let's see whether it will work or not. Okay, so I'm building my project. It's building. Build succeeded, so I'm running it. Yeah, sorry, I'm not running it. I'm going to debug because we need to see the value, right? So I'm making use of VS Code debugger. Run and debug. Before that, I'm putting a breakpoint here just to show the values. I'm planning to choose .NET Core. So it will show us the configurations, launch settings. I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to change anything here because my DLL path, everything is correct. Secret manager test DLL web launch. Okay, so I'm just clicking on debug. Let it start up. So we have a breakpoint set here in the index method. It's going ahead here. We are on the index, that line where we read the configuration. Okay, let's see whether it will get the same value. I'm just stepping. So you can see the value is actually read from the secret manager. Okay. So this is the same value SDJK. That's a key, that the random key that we have given in the terminal. Here it is. Okay, so this is how we can read the value. So if we go to this configuration object, we can see a few other things. That providers. See, in configuration provider we have a secrets JSON. This is actually fetched from secrets JSON file. So if you expand it, you will be able to see the data dictionary. There is only one count because we only have a single key here. So instead we can set one more key here just for seeing it. Here's a secret set. Let's I'm changing this one to create another secret. Maybe my DB password. I'm setting my DB password here. Maybe like okay, that's my password. I'm setting it again. Sorry, something went wrong. Okay, I'm entering it again. Successfully saved shopping cart. We can list it. .NET user secrets list. If we see, we will be able to see the two secrets set in the file. Okay, we have the shopping cart API key. DB password is also there. So I'm stopping the execution. I'm just starting the execution again, just to show the two entities, two items in that collection. Okay, here if we step into, we will get the key that's working. Let's go to this configuration object and see what all are there in that. Okay, see, there are different I configuration providers. So our concern is only the secrets. I'm going there. See, right now we can see 2 count. That's it's a key value pair. If I expand the first one, I'm seeing the API key. If I expand the second one, I'm seeing the shopping cart DB password. So we have it there. That's it. So this is how we can make use of our secret manager in .NET Core projects, and this is how we can store secrets in our development development environment. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.